This is the future. This vehicle prevents drunk driving. So all accidents that are related to drinking alcohol, this vehicle prevents all that. It uses your breath when you get into the car, and it uses your breath to detect if you're drunk or not, and it will prevent you from driving. Yeah, so what does it actually do?
So it has a new breath alcohol sensor. It'll detect when you get into the car if you're above or below the legal limit to drive, and if you're above, you wouldn't be able to move the vehicle.
Oh, wow.
What what would that do to your insurance? I guess
So
that would lower it.
the hope is that insurance companies, when they see this technology implemented, they'll lower the rates, which will increase the implementation of it. So more people will be incentivized to
Well,
get it because you
if
can
you
get a
get the
lower
insurance
insurance
companies
rate.
on board, that's how things get mandated.
Yep. So typically, safety features for cars, if they work really well, save lives, don't cause a lot of complications, can eventually be mandated. But we'll see.
So is this actually in the market?
It'll be on the market around 2028. So all the
Okay.
major U.S. auto manufacturers are bought in to help develop this technology, and it's a nonprofit that owns the technology. So they're going to offer it to all of the manufacturers, so that Honda, Ford, Chevy, whoever can offer it as a safety add-on for their car.
Okay.
So
So
not available for purchase yet, but soon.
so by 2028, what's the estimated starting price of the car?
Um, it'll depend on what car you're buying, but the additional cost of the technology we're hoping is
Okay.
around just a couple $100. So similar to a
Oh, okay.
backup camera or a side mirror, that kind of thing. It won't
Oh, okay.
significantly impact the cost of the car.
Right, right. That sounds too cool.
Yeah. Do you want to hop in and try it?
Sure thing.
Please. So just pop the button.
Okay,
There you
guys.
go.
You pop the button, then you get
Uh-huh.
in. So let's see.
So if you breathe forward like you're right here,
So if I what?
breathe forward like you're blowing out a candle right towards there. So the blue light means that it saw your breath and it's thinking about it. Green means you're good to go. And if you look at the iPad next to you, that big spike in orange is carbon dioxide. So that's what you're naturally exhaling. If it were associated with a big spike in the green line, that would mean some amount of alcohol is present on your breath.
Oh, wow. Okay. So if the technology is implemented like different industries or different manufacturers take it, is it going to have like a screen like this, or is it just going to
No.
be built
So
in?
it only has the additional screen now because we do have to do it aftermarket because it's
Okay.
just a prototype. But from the manufacturer, it would be integrated into these screens.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Okay, guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Let me know if you have more questions.
Yes. Okay, guys. So this car is, it's a technology that is coming in the future, and the plan is for different manufacturers to buy into this technology to prevent drunk drivers. So as you can see, what you do is you breathe in or you blow into that screen, and when you blow, it picks up your breath and it's going to read from this other screen right here. And if you are detected to have alcohol in your system, the car will not move. If you don't, then you're safe and you could drive. This is really cool. So I'm going to try it again. I was doing it before. So I'm just going to blow into the screen. So you see like the yellow waves passing is trying to read. Then when it comes green, you now see it here. And the lady who explained to me says this is carbon dioxide that has been transferred to the screen. And of course, if I was detected with alcohol, I'm not going to be allowed to drive. And this is amazing because there are a lot of people out there who go for their parties or they're drunk and they're driving home and they cause a lot of accidents. So this will prevent a lot of accidents. And I cannot wait for 2028, as she said, to see this future in different cars and how it's going to play. This is amazing, and I love it. So, to all my Gen Z people, 2028 will be an amazing year, and we'll see a lot of features, a lot of technologies in cars. And of course, I'll be back. God's God willing, I'll be back to give people an overview of how this industry has evolved, developed, and all the new technologies that have been added to, a vehicle.